Introducing the Mark II by Mycroft. Mycroft will wake you up.
Hey Mycroft, play my morning jams.
Playing your morning jams.
Or do simple tasks like tell you what time it is.
Hey Mycroft, what time is it?
3:15 p.m.
And all the things you would expect from a voice assistant. Things like weather.
It's 78 degrees and sunny.
Calendar.
You have a 10 a.m. team meeting.
And conversions.
There are 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon.
Hey computer, remind me to get my winter clothes out of storage.
Other voice assistants can use your conversations to sell your data and send you ads. Mycroft never sells your data or sends you ads. The new screen is great for features like setting multiple timers.
Hey Mycroft, can you set another timer for 10 minutes?
Second timer started.
Nailed it.
It can have a friendly face or customize widgets. Choose your wake-up word.
Hey Mycroft.
Hey Trinity.
Hey Indigo.
Hey Victoria.
And your voice.
Hello, my name is Trinity.
Hello, my name is Mycroft.
And you can be hooked up to start multiple systems in your home with a single command.
Hey Mycroft. It's game time.
Game on.
Hey, but it doesn't work with this?
He can help with that. Our open source community is expanding the capability of the Mark II, supporting things like Roku and other devices. Mycroft. Private, custom, open.
Hello, I'm Joshua Montgomery, the CEO of Mycroft AI. In 2015, we launched the world's first open source voice assistant right here on Kickstarter. In July, we delivered the Mark I to backers in 56 countries and 38 states. The software that we built for the Mark I now runs anywhere. You can download and run it on the Linux desktop or the Raspberry Pi. This is the first step towards our larger goal, an artificial intelligence that runs anywhere and interacts exactly like a person. An AI that understands context, can communicate naturally, and hold a complete conversation. With our second Kickstarter, we're looking to expand the community and work with them to build software that allows you to voice enable anything. Software that's customizable and lets you rename the assistant and change its personality and appearance to fit you. The Mark II uses an advanced microphone array so it can hear at long distances even when music is playing. We've also added a screen so you can see things like calendar entries, timers, even security camera feeds. To bring the Mark II to life, we need your help. We need to invest in tooling, optimize our design for manufacturing, and continue to improve the software. That's why we're asking for your support. We need you to help us bring an open, transparent, privacy-minded, intelligent personal assistant to life. You can begin helping us now by going to voice.mycroft.ai and donating your voice, installing Mycroft on your Raspberry Pi,
Push your fitness further with Fitbit Charge 2, a heart rate and fitness wristband that helps you make the most of all day, workouts, and beyond. Use Pure Pulse continuous heart rate to help optimize intensity during workouts using zones and better track all-day calorie burn. Charge 2 gives you the motivation to stay on track with steps, distance, and active minutes at a glance. and automatically tracks your sleep to show how long and how well you've slept. Use multi-sport modes to see real-time exercise stats on display and connected GPS to view pace and distance while you run and see a map of your route in the app. See how fit you are in the Fitbit app with a snapshot of your cardio fitness level. Smart Track automatically tracks workouts like running, biking, and sports, so when you make your move, we'll make sure you get the credit you deserve. Find moments of calm in your day with personalized guided breathing sessions based on your heart rate. And stay connected on the go with call, text, and calendar alerts. With a dynamic display and interchangeable bands, you can switch up your look for whatever your adventure is. Because every day is an opportunity for a life better lived. Make every beat count with Charge 2.
Hello Kickstarter, I'm Morten from Infinity PV and I'd like to introduce you to this new product we've been making. We call it the Heli On. It's a battery power bank, but it's also a solar charger in one product. We really like this product because it encompasses a few things that we need in our daily lives. We often run out of power with our smartphone, so we need to charge it. So most of us carry around a battery bank in our pocket so we can charge the smartphone at the end of the day. Well, the problem with any battery bank is that it'll run out of power. Well, not so with the Heli On, because it contains a large solar panel, and with that solar panel you can recharge anywhere you go. With Heli On you can take the power of the sun with you when you go. There's actually no limit to what you can use Heli On for. Bring it camping, bring it hiking, bring it to nature, bring it out in the urban environment. At Infinity PV, we work with organic solar cells. Organic solar cells are relatively new technology on the market, but they do have some key advantages. First of all, they're super thin. Secondly, they're really flexible. That means they'll fit perfectly into a product like the Heli On, where no other type of solar cell would really make sense. The other advantage of this type of solar cell is that it's fully printed. They're made on ordinary printing machines, and all of this we do in-house at Infinity PV. The road to bringing Heli On to Kickstarter has actually been a long road for us. We've been through multiple prototypes. I have some of them here. The one I hold here actually won an award at the Royal Chemical Society, and we've been iterating slowly ever since then. So we had some key design criteria when we designed it. One was we wanted a battery inside it. We wanted it to be able to charge the smartphone from the battery. We wanted to be able to charge the battery from a wall plug, but we also wanted to have the solar panel inside and optimize the space for it. In the end, we ended up with a design that we both really like, but that's also directly optimized for injection molding, so it's ready to go into production. Having seen the product, we hope you like Heli On just as much as we do. With your support, we'd like to bring this product to market.